This time, legit po yung pag-uusapan. Siyempre, hindi naman natin maiiwasan na from time to time ay magkaroon tayo ng pangangailangan na kailangan natin umutang. So in this video, I want to talk about ready cash, kung saan o nakautang ako ng 10,000 pesos and payable siya in monthly installments. So yung pinili ko is 3 months and yung effective rate niya is 1.49. Can you believe that? Walang ola yung makakatalo nito. It's legit. Kaya gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo. And therefore, if you're interested, keep watching. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Ate Red here. Masarap pong pag-usapan yung legit. That's why in this video, pag-usapan natin tong feature na to which actually comes with my Security Bank na Gold Mastercard. Wait, meron sa inyong mapapataas yung kilip. We will talk about that later on. This video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. Magto 2 years na yata akong may Security Bank na Gold Mastercard. Share ko sa inyo kung paano ako nag-apply. I really like this feature. It's really very helpful dahil mababa po yung interest niya. I don't think any OLA can ever beat that. And please don't take it as a financial advice because dito guys, nagre-review lang po ako ng mga pautangan to help you decide kung saan dapat lalapit, kung kailangan. Take note kung kailangan guys dahil yung pag-uutang, it's a responsibility. And promise last na to guys. Alam niyo naman diba na pag nagka-glasses ako, meron siyang glare. O ayan, for today's video talaga, I decided na mag-contact lens ako like in some of my videos. Nabili ko sa EO Optical. Legit po yung EO Optical na nasa Shopee. Ito po yung color that's cinnamon. Wala tayong links dito other than shopping links that you can click on this video or sa description. Anyways guys, so yun, gusto ko pag-usapan yung ready cash dahil kinailangan ko ng pera guys. Nakakuha ako ng 10,000 pesos. It's actually better than any OLA. Ready cash is a cash advance feature ng credit card mo. Yung maganda dito kasi dati, you have to apply for it through the website and of course, it's subject to final assessment of the bank. You need to have like an enough amount of credit limit na pwedeng i-convert to cash. Yes, that's a keyword. Convert your credit card's credit limit legally. Kasi si bank na mismo yung nag-provide ng facility through the Security Bank app. Ano bang pinagkaiba nito sa cash advance? Yung ipapasok mo talaga yung yung ipapasok mo talaga yung card mo dun sa ATM tapos magpipin ka. I'll also get to that later. But just let me show you why I find it much better than OLA. By the way, guys, kung meron ka ng dating nag-ready cash ka na dito sa kay Security Bank, dapat paid siya mga 50% bago ka kumuha ng cash ulit. So in plain and simple terms, this is a legit cash loan at galing siya sa credit limit mo that's available. So at the time na nag-apply ako guys, mayroon akong ganito na credit limit and sa app mismo nagsabi na you can convert your credit limit into ready cash through the app. So, diretso din ako. Here's the thing guys, kasi yung credit card is a powerful tool. It comes with perks and lots of advantages na wala sa OLA. That's why it should be used wisely. Dapat hindi mo minamax out yung credit limit mo and you only use what you can pay. Mas maganda na you pay your credit card dues in full every time na nagjuju ka. Kapag may natira ka, maro-roll over yan sa next bill mo at magkakaroon siya ng finance charge. So, dapat pinag-iisipan bago ka kumaskas. Instead na lumapit ako ng OLA, dito na ako lumapit. Why ready cash? Convert your credit limit into cash. Amount ranges from 10,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos per request. Pwede big amounts basta kaya lang ng credit limit mo. Enjoy a low monthly add-on rate of 1%. Pipiliin mo kung saan account siya pupunta. Dapat kasi mapupunta siya sa SBC or Security Bank na account mo. And then ilalagay mo yung amount, minimum of 10,000, only borrow what you can afford to pay. Meron siyang range. Kasi based po siya sa credit limit. So yung para sa akin lang ha, it's 10,000 and 26,329. Bakit ka lang kasi hindi ni round off sa 25, ano? So, hindi ako pwedeng maglagay ng 43. Within that range ka lang. 10,000 pesos yung pinili ko. And then I click next. Dito mo na makikita, malalaman kung kaya ba ng budget mo. Yung ika-cash advance mo. Yung i-ready cash mo. Halimbawa sa 3 months na term with an effective interest rate of 1.49%, 3,433.34 per month. Simple po yung formula nito kasi yung approved amount times add-on interest rate times the number of months divided by, or yung sa akin divided by 3. So yung 10,000 pesos times the 1% times 3 So, I got 300 pesos. So, yung 300 pesos na yun, idadagdagin sa 10,000 at i-divide into 3. And that is why 3,433.34 per month po ako. It's very transparent. The same formula applies kung mapa 6 months ka man, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months. But the sooner you finish your loan, makakatipid kasi interest at the faster na makakapag-ready ka ulit kung kailangan. That doesn't mean na go lang ng go ha, pag-isipan po. Kasi this is a responsibility and it will show on your credit report which can affect your future loan applications. Depende na yan sa inyo kasi dyan yung malalaman kung kaya ba ng budget. Yung ifa-follow mo yan, hindi pwedeng malate, otherwise there's gonna be additional fees, di ba? Pay whatever is due on your due date. So, 3 months, ipapareview na yun sa'yo. And then 3 months, 1.49 effective interest rate per month. Yung total na mababayaran mo sa loob ng 3 months, 10,300.01. Mag-a-accept ka sa ready cash terms and conditions. And then mag-pipin ka or magsascan ng face. Depende kung anong mang security measures na activate mo sa phone mo. Kaagad ko siyang natanggap sa aking deposit with Security Bank. And wala siyang 200 pesos na dinagdag, which is what I'm gonna get every time magka-cash advance ako sa ATM. And if you wanna know kung paano ako nagkaroon ng Security Bank na credit card, you can check this vlog or this vlog because andun po yung lahat na gusto nyo malaman. Even yung time na na-reject ako, na-decline ako, andun. Hindi ko na i-discuss dito. Otherwise, magiging 1 oras yung video na to. Maganda sa Security Bank is napaka VA or freelancer friendly siya. And kung work from home ka, pwede rin. And napakadali niyang applyan, guys. Although it's not the best credit card, but it's the easiest na pwedeng applyan. Pwede mong gawin everything online. I find credit cards convenient kasi pag lumabas ka, kung wala kang dalang cash, basta may backup ka ha, it's an extension of your wallet. Convenient for cashless transactions. But it's not something na pagkaskas mo, kalimutan mo na or puro ka minimum. Otherwise, malulubog ka talaga. Iba po yung pag-handle ng credit card, guys, sa Ola. I've read somewhere na yung ready cash is a promotional thing, while yung cash advance will always be one of the features ng credit card like this one. Yung cash advance na yan kasi talagang ipapasok mo yung credit card mo sa ATM and then magpipin ka, saka mo matatanggap yung cash or makukuha mo yung cash. And it's 200 pesos yung per transaction niya. Para rin siya yung kumaskas ka na magiging part siya ng total mong babayaran on the next due date. Now, kung hindi mo yan ma-fully pay, yung kung ano mo yung mag-due, syempre, magiging maroll over siya sa next mong due date at magkakaroon siya ng finance charge. Puro ka minimum, nako guys, it's gonna have a domino effect. Kaya dapat pag-isipan ng mabuti ha. Dapat responsible credit card users talaga tayo. But if we are good borrowers, if we are good players, sobrang okay to kaysa sa Ola. Those of you na wala pa talagang credit card at medyo may something sa credit history nyo and you're looking to build credit, you're looking to fix your history, your credit history, your financial track record, then you can check this vlog and find out and learn why I decided to get a secured credit card kay Metro Bank. Bakit si Metro Bank, hindi si Security Bank? So, yun lang guys. But of course, kung hindi pa talaga kayo ready na magkaroon ng credit card, medyo alanganin pa, and gusto nyo muna mag-practice as a responsible borrower, then meron akong playlist, Legit Loan Apps by Ate Red, kasi you can start there. I'm not promoting them, but I'm just sharing just in case you need funds and baka ma-approve kayo sa mga loan apps na mga to. So that's it for today's video. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!